must be shocked where from you are hearing this voice. Actually, this is Vihan's mother on the other side of the camera, and Vihan has something different for us this time. So this time mommy is speaking because Vihan needs to concentrate. So this is called, what is it called, Vihan?
Rubik Cube.
So this is Rubik Cube.
3 by 3.
3 by 3. So now Vihan has this Rubik Cube and he will show you how fast he can solve it. But for that, we will also start with the timer. But before that, Vihan, can you just rectify and set the original one, please? Yeah, please set the original one so that it is sure to everyone. I will twist and give it to you, yeah? So you just set the original one. So by the time he is just setting the original one, I would just like to mention to you all that this Rubik Cube, Vihan has learned all by himself and he had fun trying it out, and it took him too much of time. So you just need patience and concentration. So we'll be back after some time. So as you can see, this is completely okay, the same correct shape. Now Vihan, I would request you to hand over to me. So this is my hand. Hello. So I'll just twist and give it to Vihan. Okay? Just a second. Oh, it's done. It's 1 minute 36 seconds or 35 seconds. Yes, he's so excited. Really good one. Vihan, how would you want to share your experience with them? What do we need actually for solving the Rubik Cube?
You need something focus that you have to focus on it. Nothing else. You have to focus on one thing. If it's Rubik Cube, I have to solve it. So you need focus, faith, and patience. Patience is important because when you do wrong, then you cannot think what is this wrong.
Yeah, so you don't need to get afraid when you do it wrong. You need to concentrate, have focus, you need to have faith, and you need to have patience. So Vihan, is it very difficult? What is your age, Vihan? Let us know about it.
My age is 7 years old, and yesterday night I made a record of my record.
Like you broke your own record of
2
minute 20,
5 seconds.
and right now you completed in 1 minute.
36 seconds. I cannot believe that I solved it so fast.
Yes, so it was really good. But what do you want to tell your friends? They should try this out.
Yeah, if you want to try this out, then just comment or message. Then I will just make one more video and show how to solve it. It is very simple.
So if want to learn the technique, the friends of Vihan's age, do comment. He will show you the technique in the next video if you all like it. It's easy, Vihan,
Yeah, very simple.
and it's like interesting as also.
You need only, I think, 3-4 algorithms. 3-4 algorithms.
Okay, you need 4 algorithms, so he will share it in the next video. If you all want, just let us know.
And just comment or message.
Yeah, just comment and message, and let's have fun by trying this out. Right,
And
Vihan?
yeah,